know that Barbie is a famous fashionista? The doll loves to try on new outfits and styles, fancy loungewear, a dress made out of foil or a sock, and a bat costume. Check out our new video to learn how to make all this and more. And first, take an old toy horse. Make a cut like this. Take all the stuffing out. Cut the tips of the legs. Glue a piece of Velcro to the incision on the belly. A plush kigurumi costume with a charming hood is ready. Dress your doll. Barbie is very comfortable. And now take a round section of black fabric. Fold it in half and insert pins. With a piece of chalk, outline a round scissor handle to make a curved edge. Leave only a small segment in the middle. Carefully trim the edge. Place the doll on top and mark the place of the belt with a piece of chalk. Make small cuts in the places of the cuts on the fabric. Take a ribbon, pass it through the cuts. Cut out a triangular neck. Put the poncho suit on the doll. Tighten the belt. Complement her outfit with a cute ear headband. Now the prize for the best costume at this party should definitely go to Barbie. Every girl loves Victoria's Secret lingerie. Barbie is no exception. Take old lace panties and cut the bottom off. Make a pattern. Cut off the excess. Sew the panties on the side with a needle and thread. Cut out a decorative element from the underwear. It will become Barbie's bra. Sew it to the panties. Cut off a small strip with the elastic band. Fasten it to the bodice. Take the piece in the form of wings. Using a hot glue gun and decorative feathers, decorate the wings on both sides. Glue straps made out of small elastic bands folded in half. Well, isn't that a miracle? Barbie can walk in the Victoria's Secret show as an angel. And now take a decoupage paper sheet with a beautiful print. Fold it in quarters and cut off a small corner in the center. Unfold the napkin. Cut off 2 more symmetrical triangles on both sides of the first cutout. Take a thin ribbon. Using Elmer's glue, stick it along the edge of the napkin. Put the future dress on the doll. Pass the head through the large hole and the arms through the 2 smaller ones. Fold the edges of the napkin behind the doll's back. Glue them with Elmer's glue. To emphasize the waist, tie a ribbon belt with a bow. Let's make shoes. Take a piece of a shiny foam rubber sheet. Cut out a pair of slippers to be of the same shape as the feet. Glue a piece of tape to each. Put the slippers on and wrap the ribbons around the doll's lower leg. She could easily walk on the red carpet in such a dress. And now take ordinary panties. Make a small triangular hole in the lower part. Put the panties on the doll. Cut off the excess fabric from the front to make the dress fit. Glue the front and the back of the outfit together using a hot glue gun. Glue the parts of the dress together at the waist. Wrap the free ends of the dress and fasten them at the base. The final touch is a bright belt and elegant shoes. It turned out to be a very stylish outfit. Next, you need a pair of multicolored skeins of wire and pom-poms. Take a small piece of blue wire and bend the tip at one end. Take the pink wire and make 2 circles out of it, a big one and a small one. Add a few blue connecting elements. Put together a frame. Decorate it with pom-poms. Now take pipe cleaners. Fold a pair of pipe cleaners in half and glue them on the sides. From the rest of the pipe cleaners, make the bodice of the dress like this. Insert another one as a fastener. Put the dress on your doll. Done! The originality of this outfit would amaze even famous designers. And now we will show what you can make from a pair of multicolored socks. Take one sock and cut off the top with the elastic band. Make a pair of symmetrical cuts that will soon become sleeves. Fold the second sock so that its heel stays up. Cut off the bottom of it and make an incision from below. Carefully sew the pants from the inside. Turn them inside out. Make a belt sewing a braid inside the fabric. Leave the ends loose. Dress your doll in both parts of the outfit. Cozy pajamas are ready. Now, Barbie will dream only the sweetest dreams. For the next outfit, you will need a shower cap and a balloon. Cut off a small piece for the waist from the top of the cap. Glue a decorative ribbon with sequins on the elastic band. Cut off the neck of the balloon and put it on Barbie as a bodice. Decorate it with beads and sequins. Put the cap on her as a skirt. It's so simple, but it turned out so spectacular. This is not just a regular Barbie, but a real costumed beauty. And now we will show you how to use an old bra. Cut off the elastic bands. Glue the cups together by the inner edge using a hot glue gun like this. Glue a lace skirt from the inside. Glue on some Velcro at the edges on the inside. Glue the straps to obtain a triangular notch. Cut off the excess. Glue the Velcro on the sides. Put the skirt and the top on the doll. You can also add a veil if you want. The dress for Barbie Bride is ready. Although, there's no groom in sight. For the next outfit, you need a medium-sized artificial flower. Remove the flower from the stalk. Separate the layers of petals and leave a couple of them. Cut out the middles. Take a piece of Velcro. Cut off a small strip from it. Using a hot glue gun, glue the parts of the Velcro to the pair of petals on the outside. Take a piece of thin colored paper and some double-sided tape. Cut off small pieces of tape and glue them along the top, forming tucks. You get a pleated piece. Glue a bright ribbon to the belt. Cut several pieces across the width of the chest from the second layer of petals. Glue them to the paper base. Glue the ribbons with Velcro fasteners from above and below the top. Put the top on the doll. Tighten the belt on the paper skirt. Put the petals over the top and fasten it on the back with Velcro. Complement this vivid look with elegant shoes matching the belt. The result is a charming and sunny outfit. Who would have thought that a dress for Barbie could also come out of a rubber glove? Take a glove and cut off a pair of fingers from it. Cut off the ends on the remaining forefinger and little finger. Put the outfit on the doll. Cut off the thumb. Cut it in half. Pass it through the cut at the wrist. Tighten the belt and go on and conquer the runway. And now you need a sock that has lost its pair. Lay it on the table, heel down. Place the doll on the sock so that the neck is in the area of the elastic band. With a contrasting marker, make a pattern of a tight-fitting mini dress. Cut it out along the outline. Fasten the seams with hot glue on the sleeves and on the sides. A mini dress with open shoulders is ready. Barbie's girlfriends are all so jealous of this dress. A shiny little dress is the dream of any girl. To make Barbie happy, take a rectangular piece of foil. Wrap the doll in it. Decorate the dress with a silver necklace. Fasten the accessory on the back with a hot glue gun. Add boots. Wearing this look, Barbie will definitely be the star of the party. Did you like our design ideas? Which of these outfits has already appeared in the closet of your Barbie? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and click on the bell button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.